Hi students, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to our new session. This is Shahina. In the last class, we discussed about the data types in PHP. PHP mainly 8 different types of data are held. We can use these different data types in different format and how to assign the type of a value to a variable, etc. Today we discuss on PHP operators. All are familiar the operator concept. What is an operator? An operator is a symbol that represent a specific action. Values are assigned to variable using different types of operators. So, operators are used to perform operations on variables and values. The most commonly used operators of PHP are arithmetic operators, assignment operator, comparison operator, increment and decrement operators, logical operators, conditional or ternary operators, string operators, and array operators. We will move on each and every operators in detail. PHP arithmetic operators. PHP has a complete set of arithmetic operators that operate on integers and float. The commonly used arithmetic operators are plus, minus, star, slash, and modulo operators. These are familiar with you. In C programming language, all are familiar with these operators. And here another one operator, double star. Double star indicate exponentiation. Power function, similar to power function. $x star star $y indicate that x raised to y. These are the arithmetic operators. Assignment operator. PHP assignment operators are used with numeric values to write a value to a variable. We can assign an integer or float, any type of value to a variable. We use assignment operator. PHP equal to normal equal to operator is used for this purpose. X is equal to y, which indicate that a value of y is assigned to x. We can also a shorthand assignment operator here. X plus equal to x minus equal to y, x star equal to y, x slash equal to y, x modulus equal to y. X is plus equal to y indicate that x is equal to x plus y. In this way, we can assign shorthand assignment operators. Next, we look on PHP comparison operator. Unlike C, here so many operators are used for the comparison purposes. Double equal to, all are familiar the operator double equal to, which indicate an equality operator. Equality operator. This operator returns true if the two operands have the same value. And here also another operator, identical operator, triple equal to is used for this symbol. $A triple equal to $B. This evaluated to true if the two operands have the same value and are the same type. Both are identical to their type and value. Not equal to. Not equal to is inequality operator, which is similar to inequality operator in C. Here a symbol exclamation mark equal to is used for not equal, and also here another symbol is less than greater than, which is also used for inequality operator. And also not identical operator exclamation mark equal to is used for not identical operator. Not identical operator is evaluated to true if the two operand do not have the same value or are not the same type. And also greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. These are the common comparison or relational operators available in PHP. PHP increment or decrement operators. PHP increment operators are increment a variable's value by 1 and decrement operator is decrement a value by 1. Here also pre-increment and post-increment in the similar way pre-decrement and post-decrement operators. Next, PHP logical operators. What are the logical operators in C? And, or, not, etc. Here also some of the logical operators and, or, XOR. These are the operators we can also use by symbol and also by letters. AND is indicated that AND operator, and in the similar way double AND is used to indicate the AND operator. In both way we can use AND operator and not operator and OR operator. These operators are used in different way. Next one is a conditional operator. Conditional operator is a ternary operator. In this operator we have three operands. Expression 1 question mark, true block, full colon, false block. If the condition is true, then the value of x is executed, otherwise the value of y will be executed. PHP string operators. There are two string operators available in PHP, the concatenation operator and the assignment operator. Concatenation purpose we use dot operator. Dot symbol is used for the concatenation purpose and dot equal to operator is used append text2 to text1. Shorthand assignment operator like operator is dot equal to. It is a concatenation plus append operator. Then PHP array operators. PHP array operators are used to compare the arrays. Plus operator is union purpose. Suppose if you have two arrays, union of x and y is indicated by using plus operator and double equal to. If you want to compare two arrays, equality operator and identity operator, inequality, not equal to operators and not identity operators are available in array operations. Thank you students. Thank you for watching this video.